Maritime accidents, including ship collisions and navigational errors, can be catastrophic, resulting in significant property damage, loss of life, and environmental disasters. Let's take a look at some of the most serious maritime incidents caught on video, with descriptions of the circumstances. One of the world's largest oil tankers, the Seawise Giant, collided with the supertanker Hortensia in the Strait of Hormuz during the Iran-Iraq War. Video footage taken from a nearby ship shows the Seawise Giant engulfed in flames after the collision, resulting in severe damage and the subsequent sinking of the tanker. The ship was subsequently raised, repaired, and renamed the Happy Giant before being scrapped in 2010. This case highlighted the dangers of navigating in military conflict zones. The container ship MV Rena ran aground on Astrolabe Reef off the coast of New Zealand on October 5, 2011. Video footage showed the ship tilting dangerously before breaking in two, spilling containers into the ocean and causing a massive oil spill. The environmental consequences were catastrophic, especially for marine life and coastal areas. The cause of the accident was determined to be human error, for which the captain and navigator were held criminally liable. On May 7, 2013, the cargo ship MV Jolly Nero crashed into a control tower in the port of Genoa, Italy. CCTV cameras captured the moment the tower collided and collapsed, killing 9 people. An investigation determined that the accident was caused by the ship's engines failing during a maneuver. The captain and pilot were prosecuted for the incident. The Swedish ferry MS Zenobia capsized and sank during its maiden voyage off the coast of Cyprus on June 7, 1980. Photographic and video footage taken by eyewitnesses and salvors documented the capsizing and sinking of the ship. Although all passengers and crew were successfully evacuated, the incident was a prime example of the importance of proper maintenance and the dangers of ignoring technical problems while underway. In March 2021, one of the world's largest container ships, the Ever Given, became stuck in the Suez Canal, blocking the vital sea route for 6 days. Aerial and satellite imagery captured the giant ship blocking the canal and dozens of other ships stuck on both sides. Video footage showed tugboats and dredgers attempting to free the ship. The incident disrupted global trade and highlighted the vulnerability of global supply chains. On January 13, 2012, the cruise ship Costa Concordia struck a reef off the coast of Italy, partially capsizing the ship and killing 32 people. Dramatic footage of the crash and evacuation was captured by passengers, rescuers, and news helicopters. Captain Francesco Schettino was found guilty of manslaughter and sentenced to 16 years in prison. The Costa Concordia rescue operation was one of the most expensive in history. On July 25, 1956, the Italian ocean liner SS Andrea Doria collided with the Swedish passenger liner MS Stockholm off the coast of Massachusetts. As a result, the Andrea Doria sank with the loss of 46 lives. Photographs and newsreel footage captured the aftermath of the collision and the rescue efforts. The incident led to significant changes in maritime safety regulations, particularly regarding the use of radar and ship-to-ship communications. These maritime disasters highlight the risks and consequences of maritime operations and show how even small mistakes can lead to large-scale tragedies. Video footage of these incidents serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of safety and vigilance in maritime operations.